First of all, let's start with a brief pronunciation guide. The letter C is pronounced ch, the letter X is pronounced sh, and the letter O is pronounced oo. Now let's start with the numbers. The number 0 is pronounced either ow or how. It's pronounced the same as the letter O. Number 1 is pronounced chew. Number 2 is pronounced foo. Number 3 is pronounced who. Now, in Wakifa, numbers are usually just written as numerals. The pronunciation usually isn't written out. The number 4 is pronounced lu. The number 5 is pronounced nu. Number 6 is pronounced pu. You may have noticed that the numbers are in alphabetical order. The number 7 is pronounced tu. The number 8 is pronounced shu. The number 9 is pronounced you. Now let's learn the small letters of the alphabet. Remember that in this language, all alphabets are pronounced as syllables. As a matter of fact, we'll be looking at a number of one-syllable words today. The symbol for fire is represented by the letter A, and it's pronounced ah. Also worth mentioning is the symbol for water. It's either pronounced achi or ahu, since it's turned to the 3 o'clock position. The letter B is pronounced pa, and it means feeling. The letter C is pronounced chi, and it means cloth. The letter D is pronounced ta, and it means house or building. The letter E is pronounced I, and it means ear. Yes, your ear is an eye in this language. The default position for an arrow or for anything is to point up. So the letter F is pronounced phi, and it means upwards. If we rotate that arrow to the 3 o'clock position, it's pronounced phi hu, and it means forwards. If we rotate the arrow to the 6 o'clock position, it's pronounced phi pu, and it means downwards. And if we rotate it to the 9 o'clock position, it's pronounced VU. It means backwards. Notice that numbers can actually be a part of the alphabet in Wakifa. The letter G is pronounced ka, and it means wheel. The large circle is represented by the letter H, pronounced he. It means sun. The small circle is represented by the letter I, pronounced E, and it means mouth in the default position. The letter J is pronounced cha, and it means mind or thinking. The letter K is pronounced ki, and it means wing or wings. The large square is represented by the letter L, pronounced li, and it means enclosure. Also worth mentioning is li sai, the small square. It means thing. The rectangle is represented by the letter M, pronounced ma, and it means paper or page. The open square in the upright position is represented by the letter N, pronounced ni, meaning door. The open rectangle in the upright position is represented by the letter O. It's pronounced ow, means table. Now, the right triangle with a 90-degree angle in it is represented by the letter P, pronounced P, and it means making. A dot is represented by the letter Q, pronounced Ku, and it means dot. R is pronounced La, and it means protection. Think of it as a roof protecting you from the rain. The letter S is pronounced C. It means person. I like to think of it as a person standing on his feet. The letter T is pronounced T, and it means addition. The letter U is pronounced oo, and it means creation. Notice that it's an isosceles or equilateral triangle. The open triangle is represented by the letter V, and it's pronounced fa. It means action. W is pronounced wa, and it means subtraction. Notice that this is a long line. The half-long line is wa psi, a small wa, and it means minus or not or without. The vertical line is represented by the letter X, pronounced she, and it means line. Now, if you tilt that line a little bit to the 1 o'clock position, it's pronounced shi chu, and it's also basically a letter of the alphabet. Shi fu is at the 45-degree angle, or the 2 o'clock position, and it means destruction. Now you can add the symbol to other symbols to form opposites. Notice how if you add it to the word for fire, it means extinguish. Ya is what's called an indicator. It's just a little arrow that points at things that are already in existing pictures. The letter Z is pronounced su, and whatever comes after it is a letter of the alphabet, a number, or punctuation. Let's just look at the last example here. Su-a means the letter A. It is not the symbol for fire. Si-hu means he or she, whereas su-hu means the number 3. Notice how we say the year 2025 in Wakifa. It's su, fu, hao, fu, nu. So now you haven't learned just approximately 26 letters, but you've learned 26 words already. Thank you for watching.